In a small village nestled among mist-covered mountains, there lived a young man named Hiroshi. Hiroshi was always full of energy and eager to find the meaning of life. Despite working diligently, he felt something important was missing. He heard about Hotaka, a wise monk renowned for his profound advice. Hotaka lived in an ancient monastery atop a mountain where people sought wisdom and tranquility. Determined to find answers to his questions, Hiroshi decided to meet Hotaka. The journey was arduous, through steep mountain trails, across clear streams, and dense forests, but he persevered. Finally, he reached the monastery perched on the mountain peak. Have you ever wondered why some people come into your life? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hotaka welcomed Hiroshi with a gentle smile and a knowing gaze. After hearing Hiroshi's aspirations and dreams, Hotaka didn't say a word but simply smiled. He said, "Everyone we meet has a purpose. To understand that, you need to see life as a garden." Hotaka recounted the story of his life, people he had met, and the impact they had brought. He likened life to a garden, where each person encountered is like a seed planted. Each seed plays a unique role in enriching the garden of life, making it diverse and vibrant. Have there been people in your life, friends or family, who have positively influenced you? Share your stories with us. Those who impart valuable lessons. Hotaka spoke of a teacher who had imparted profound life lessons. This teacher not only imparted knowledge, but also conveyed life values and basic principles to become a good person. Hiroshi remembered those who had helped him grow and find inner strength. He had a friend who had helped him overcome challenges in life, always encouraging and uplifting him. Support in difficult times. Hotaka shared about a friend who had supported him during the most difficult times. This friend provided not only material assistance, but also spiritual support, helping him overcome trials and hardships. Hiroshi realized the importance of support and gratitude towards those who had helped him overcome difficulties. He recalled times when family and friends stood by his side, supporting him when he needed it most. Hotaka recounted the friends and family who had accompanied him throughout his life. These close relationships were a great source of encouragement, helping him overcome all difficulties and challenges. Hiroshi understood that these close relationships were a great source of encouragement. He realized that family and friends are the most important people in life, always there to support and encourage him in every circumstance. Have you ever met someone whom you feel appeared in your life for a special reason? Share your story. Hiroshi realized that no meeting is random. Each person plays a role in his life journey. Every encounter brings valuable lessons and experiences, helping him mature and become more complete. Hiroshi understood that every experience, whether good or bad, brings valuable lessons. He learned to approach every situation with an open heart, ready to accept and learn from challenges and difficulties. Hiroshi felt deep gratitude towards those who had helped him on his life journey. He realized that no one can overcome all difficulties alone, but always needs the support and companionship of those around them. Hiroshi decided to live a meaningful life, positively impacting those around him. He wanted to become a better person, helping others and contributing to making the world a better place. What lessons do you take from Hiroshi and Hotaka's story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Hiroshi returned with a heart full of faith and determination to live a meaningful life. He began to act to become a better person, helping others and cherishing every encounter. It's a long journey, and everyone we meet in life is an important part of that journey. Hotaka advised Hiroshi always to appreciate those he meets and learn from them. Appreciate the friends you meet, learn from them, and live a meaningful life. Every encounter brings valuable lessons and helps us grow. Thank you for following our story. If you found this story meaningful and inspiring, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel to not miss out on other interesting stories. Let's spread the message of kindness and gratitude together.